These free tickets better be worth it.
I think it will be. It's supposed to be one of the steam trains. Who wouldn't want to ride a cool steam train?
There's no one in here? How are we gonna move?
I'm gonna be driving this train around.
What?
Okay, you can't be serious. Trains can't talk.
Ugh, his face is ugly. And he's scary to look at.
What are you talking about me?
How can he breathe?
This wasn't the steam train I was expecting.
This has to be a baby train or something. Maybe even an animatronic?
I'm no animatronic. I can blow whenever I want. Call me Smokey the Train, and I will be in charge of this ride.
Do I have to press a button to get this started? What? We just go around in a circle at 10 miles per hour? I'm glad these tickets were free.
You're right. This was a waste of time.
I ain't no baby, so just sit back down and let me show you what I can do.
Yeah! This is awesome!
I think we need to slow down. I think we're going way too fast. We are taking these dips too fast. Could you slow down?
Okay, Smokey, I still want to live. You need to slow down.
No way!
We're gonna die. I don't want to die, especially at this museum.
Let me think.
No! They're trying to stop the train by putting stones on the track.
Oh no! I'm having trouble slowing down. Yikes! Try turning the red wheel.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We gotta get off this train. Maybe we can jump. Hurry, get to the brake.
Look out the window. We gotta get it to the water tower over there.
We're still alive.
I hate trains.
That rush made me feel all weird. Blah. Okay, now I feel better.
Ugh, I'm so sorry.